to that report.
Okay.
That he documented.
Okay.
And then I would probably just ask Sky about adding the photographs of her car if she has them, and I'm sure she does.
All right.
They said, based on the statement, they had about 30 seconds. She should have probably been able to document the car in 30 seconds. I'm assuming she documented it and then ran to the 78s.
Yeah, let's see. I'm pretty sure that's what happened when I saw her over by the car. She was fiddling around with it.
Thank you for the 25 months. Yeah. Also, Horse, thank you for the 16.
Yeah.
You want to know the worst part about all this? 99% of our reports never get looked at. And now we need to like check everything with a magnifying glass over stuff kind of beyond our control. And again, I take full responsibility for not writing my report. I literally just didn't. But all of this like dotting our I's, crossing our T's, and then running that bitch through spell check, but it was originally written on paper, so you got to rewrite the whole thing. It's just,
it's tiring.
Yeah.
It's awful. It's bad.
And again, for the 1% chance it gets looked at.
Now with Croc, it's like a 99% chance it's gonna get looked at because he's out for blood.
Good. So. I'll make sure I'm his enemy number 1.
Okay, all right, yeah.
You know what? Maybe. Oh shit! I probably shouldn't tell him what I put about him in a senior report. Damn. Y'all remember that senior report?
Which one? The fucking the master document?
Oh gosh, where is it? Croc. Right here. Nope. Yes. Croc is unhinged and needs to be put in place. I say this as someone who previously heard Croc actively involved in a situation, immediately decided to 42 and stated so with attitude on radio when he didn't agree with the call on radio. There's enough of a rift in the police department. We don't need people acting maliciously within it. Smiley face. Damn, bitch, now gotta edit it. Within or out of it, I guess. Anywho, let me. I gotta finish up my current report. Don't mind me. I'm never leaving Mission Road today. Holy fuck!
I gotta talk to Den.
Relatable.
This reminds me of when I was High Command. Holy fuck! This is. All right, here we are.
I need to find Den.
Let's see, photo. What did you just do? One 291. 3 PAA 5554 R9. What time was that call? hours ago. Oh, there's no... Oh, wait, no. I'm so confused. Where's... Am I going fucking crazy? Oh my god. Oh. It's fine. Officers involved. Rhodes. Espinosa. Evidence.
What did you just do?
What did you just do? Like, give me a second, I apologize. Bro, thank you for the 50 months. I appreciate it. Seal chat. Why time to go? 50 months. MRPD. Matt Rhodes. Copy evidence.
It was Daisy who told you to do the secondary report, correct?
Sky told me that Daisy said it.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey, honey, you
Hey.
you called?
I did. Am I I'm not crazy, right? Daisy's the one who called me, right?
What do you want about?
About going to Mission Row.
On the radio? Yeah.
Oh, it was radio. Okay. I was going crazy because I looked at my call log and I tried calling Daisy earlier, right? So I'm looking at my call log and I see an outgoing call to Daisy. Then you had called me while I was busy and I wasn't able to answer. I see that incoming, but that was like more recent. And I'm like, I did not speak to Richard about going to the armory. I spoke to Daisy. I'm certain of it. And then, okay, that makes so much more sense. Holy fuck.
You okay? Yeah.
It's been a long day. It's been a long day. It just started and it's been a long fucking day.
Okay, I'm about to make it a tiny bit longer, but I won't make it. I won't. I'm just gonna say it on the phone. Etta's a bit shaken up because she has had a bit of an incident with Lizzie Bone and Ryan Wilson, the doctor. She's involved in. So I believe Ryan Wilson's currently a suspect in a murder case.
Okay.
And an attempted murder. And Etta is has given. I'm going into too much detail, but she's given a statement to the police. And Ryan saw her giving the statement. He got on duty as a doctor when it was a doctor. Saw her in the back. Tracked her where she was, and then saw the police coming out of the room. So saw her giving a statement to the police right after the incident happened. So he's aware. So she's very scared that Lizzie is going to be coming after her. Obviously, for giving a statement. Because he might obviously go down for murder. So keep an eye out for Lizzie, and
Okay.
Lizzie hangs out with the Reed and McGregor and co. And I think the last conversation I had with Lizzie was a 911 call where she said, "I would love to stab your husband." So she'd never let
Me?
that down. Yes.
That bitch won't
Don't you
stab
re-
me.
Don't you remember when she kidnapped me back in the day?
Yes,
to
I
try and get
remember. And then I scared her straight.
Well, she's not straight anymore.
Hmm.
All I'm saying is keep an eye out for yourself. Keep an eye out for Etta. She might be going after Etta. Maybe Maple, maybe me, maybe you. Maybe anybody in the family to try and get to Etta.
All right. I appreciate the heads up.
All right.
All right. I love you.
Bye. Love you too.
I don't want to look at my phone again. It's now on silent, and I'm ignoring it.
Okay. I can add King's photographs. Are you done adding anything to the report you made?
You can add. I'm not looking at that report at the moment.
Okay. I'm going to add King's photographs to this report then.
Okay. N350.
Okay. So I added in the photographs of the car and the photographs of where the casing would be for it.
Charlie.
Perfect.
Hey, Charlie.
So we'll get King's statement added to that report and Sky's photographs of the Sultan, and then everything should be good. Everything is there then.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Daisy, over here.
Ooh.
Yeah. Daisy, what language was that?
Ooh.
It was Japanese. It says "Death lies below."
Oh. You hearing this?
I'm not. I'm so bad at multitasking. You know this.
Oh my god. Damn. You you so bad at multitasking that you sleep through fire alarms?
No.
Okay, all right.
But I'm just focused on this.
Um
Okay. Is there anything else I
Nope.
can
Nope.
do to help you with this situation?
Nope.
Okay. Then and I forgot to mention we need to get Hugh's statement as well because that one is also missing. I don't know what her involvement was. Apparently she came on duty after Lucas was already shot down. So I'm assuming that she helped with cleanup stuff.
I don't really care for a statement from her, especially considering she's only going to be able to give information that everybody else should be privy to, and we're going to be limited on witnesses anyways.
Yeah, it's probably the same, like with King's statements, probably all the same of what is already there as well. Just as long as we can get the Sultan photographs, because that's the proof of the joyriding charge, then everything should be Gucci, to be honest. So, okay. If you don't need me to help you with anything else, just make sure that you also, in the original incident, you reference. Never mind, you already did. I see. So you're good. Okay.
Works for me.
Okay.
This is wonderful. Oh wait, should I be taking a photo of the VR?
You can. Okay, because like
that's what we have
you're probably going to be utilizing that in court as well to prove you can use the VR as evidence in courts. If it does go to court, you have the evidence on scene that King took that shows the casings, and then that will show directly where that casing was at. So yeah, I would take a picture of the VR now.
All right. I'll do the original one and the others, since there's now a separation of the two.
Yes, the pictures of both. Yes.
I do that.
You just add it to your report, and it should be good. Okay. I am going.
Did Forte get arrested? Wait. I'm so confused. Oh, okay. I'm good. I'm good. I want to go pull people over. In my statement, I put Rhodes was contacted by Daisy Dukakis, who informed Rhodes that a PD firearm had been left in the scanner, blah, blah, blah. Notice it was issued to 1291. Matthew Espinosa put the serial. Put the date and time. That's it. Everything's documented. It's in the locker. And if I see Espinosa tomorrow, I will have a conversation with him regarding it.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what would have made him put his own firearm in there. Like, I don't know. There's no senior report tag.
I started it. Oh, actually, I started it as a senior report, but I didn't tag it.
There's no tag. That's why I was just looking to do the tag.
Okay.
So I would just, it's whatever. Just yeah, that way.
Unless you want that bitch to have a senior buns tag, you ain't getting nothing senior.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I don't know what would have caused him to put his gun in there and then it get left. I genuinely have no idea. So again, it's not a big deal to be honest. Like, because it doesn't see like I can't think of a situation where you know he would put his gun in there that would be
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
anything that matters.
Yeah.
I guess. Be safe. There's not very many units. It might even just be you. Oh no, never mind.
Maybe I should bug Brandy.
For what?
I don't know.
Like the drink? Or like what?
No, bitch. Brandy Lynn.
Yeah, okay, well I don't understand the context. So I thought about it like,
She's loud. She'll wake me up.
oh, are you sleepy?
You know, a little tired, maybe. Listen, I'm gonna get out there.
Good luck on the streets.
Yeah.
If you need me, just email me, okay?
I may just 42. You know, I haven't.
It's out of our shift now, I think. So I mean,
8 minutes. I have 8 minutes to patrol. I gotta go.
if you did, okay, goodbye. Go refuel your car.
2:30, 10:08. Any actives? What did you just do? Broken, thank you for the 41 months. I appreciate it. We had MTA. Okay. Oh shit, I still have to do my infusion set chat. Fuck. Thankfully it won't take long. So that's good. Open this. That. Didn't even rewind yet, fuck. Next, rewind. That gives me time to do this. Then put this here.
Alice.
Put this in here. Next.
Lima 523.
Next, Bill. We're good. Officially this time.
9976, latest 37 off Gentry.
Pull it over. Dispatch 230, 1038 eastbound Vespucci, nearest cross, fantastic place with a black and colored gauntlet. Occupied once. Twice, correction.
Twice.
Engine off, please.
How's it going, officer?
Hello. You mind rolling the window down for me?
There you go.
Hi, I'm Officer Rhodes, Los Santos Police Department. How are you?
I'm good, good.
That's good to hear. Have any ideas why I pulled you over?
I assume because you like my car.
Well, I don't know. I don't know what your car is.
That's the one I'm driving.
Dispatch 207.
Really?
Attached 1038. Eastbound.
You telling me the car that you drive in, the one that reported stolen, is yours? So you must be Frank?
I forgot to clear that. Yeah.
Okay, Frank, what's your last name?
Williams.
No, don't play dumb. We all know Frank, and you're not Frank. You're not that guy.
Listen, sir, I would like to apologize.
Okay, all right. You mind taking the mask off for me?
Sure.
Perfect. Now, what's your actual name, Frank?
Okay, you got me. My name's Poe Dempsey.
You Poe?
Yep.
You got some ID, Poe?
Oh, we were actually in a war with the manor, so they robbed it.
So you out here driving a stolen gauntlet with no ID, claiming to be somebody else.
Well, I made a mistake, you know. We can all, patch up our mistakes.
I agree. We all do make mistakes. I'm a mistaker. I am. But this wasn't like a, oh, it skipped my mind. Like, you had to have gone out of your way to steal this car.
Well, it happens to the best of us.
Oh, what vehicles do you own?
Let's see. I own a Sultan, the classic one. I own a bike.
Okay. Oh, if this really you, what have I said about you before?
That I'm gorgeous.
You ain't Poe.
Well, maybe I forgot.
Who are you actually?
Are you gonna arrest me?
I mean, there's quite a few arrestable offenses here. But
So,
I mean, compliance goes a long way.
okay, if you guarantee that I'm not gonna get arrested, I will remove myself.
Okay, well, hold on. This is like you're asking me to promise before I get, the actual information. That's kind of fucked up, because what if you end up being a murderer with an active warrant? I can't just then not arrest you because I promised you I wouldn't.
Just promise. Come on, just promise.
No, I don't know you. You couldn't even give me a straight answer, and you want me to pinky swear?
Okay, dude.
So what's your actual name?
It's BMO Dempsey. I'm Poe's brother.
Okay, what's your state ID?
13804.
13804. Okay. Do you have any form of Any form of digital identification?
Is there a way?
Yep. So if you go over to your documents,
Is there any active?
you
Negative.
can go to
Traffic
licenses,
stop, I think.
and then driver's license, and you should be able to share
Yeah,
that.
we have
Copy
1038
that.
with a stolen gauntlet that
There you go.
Matt is, the roads is running right now.
All right.
I will grab some fuel in case they run.
BMO Dempsey.
10-4.
Hmm. You been arrested before, Mr. Dempsey?
Unfortunately.
What for?
Well, I thought I had a job at MRPD as a janitor, so I was in the cells, the armory, all that stuff, just wiping up, and they arrested me for trespassing.
Oh. Oh, that sounds dangerous. Okay. So you didn't have a job?
Apparently not. I don't know. I guess I got scammed.
Okay. All right.
I was a
Now,
victim of scam.
how'd you come into possession of this vehicle here?
Well, my friend over here is deaf and blind.
Okay.
And I needed a vehicle for him to transport him to the nearest medical facility.
Medical facility? Which one you headed to?
It's like a witch doctor.
Which doctor? Or sir in the passenger seat, is that true?
I just said he's, deaf and blind.
Yeah, I heard you. Sir in the passenger seat, is that true? Sir? Have you considered taking the goggles off?
Yeah,
That show 304 tonight.
Yo.
So question. If they're deaf and blind, why they got the goggles on?
Well, the light can hurt their eyes. It's kind of like if the sun's out, it's gonna be like all red. So they're like partially blind,
Oh.
So like any form of light is just gonna incapacitate them. They're just gonna fall over and have a headache.
Oh, okay. All right. And so I'm still trying to pick up what you're putting down here. So you stole a car. You identified yourself as Frank Williams, then Poe Dempsey, then you were neither, and you're BMO Dempsey. And then the reason you were speeding and driving said stolen car was that you could transport your blind and deaf friend to a witch doctor somewhere. Okay. All right. Tell you what. I'm willing to cut you a break here, okay? But you and your friend have to get out of the car. You can't drive a stolen car.
Absolutely. Apologize. Thank you.
Apology accepted. Apology accepted. Now you need to get your friend out of the car, because they in a stolen car.
Oh. Oh wait, he's deaf.
Oh, you lying. Oh my God, I fucking knew it. Another lie, Mr. Dempsey. Another lie. What's your name?
Hello there, officer.
Hi, what's your name?
My name's Lucky.
Lucky? Bitch, if you blind and deaf, you anything but lucky.
That is true.
Oh my gosh. Both of y'all get to walking. This is being impounded. Oh my gosh.
It's 1038. They're abandoning the vehicle and the road's getting impounded.
Firm.
Good job.
Y'all, they was lying. But I also came to the quick realization that if they fled, I mean, it a gauntlet.
Taurus was a pretty alright recently.
Yeah, not when you do a 171 and they do a 190.
Yeah, as long as we can keep, the acceleration kind of buffs it out though. Because they have to slow down for their corners on highways, which gives us the opportunity.
What corners on high? But listen, but if they go north on LS freeway, guess what? By the time they get to the Polito S-Bend, they are at Fort Zancudo. By the time you get there.
Yeah, right. Can't argue that. Pray for traffic, that's all we can do.
Show 304 responding to wherever Brandy's going.
Here we are.
Three 9976, latest 27 Charlie.
2:30, same traffic. Oh, this is great.
What's wrong?
My car's stuck in first.
39923, latest 37 Charlie. Seems to be code 4, gonna code 6 behind.
304 some traffic.
Dispatch 29710-8.
Alleyways behind, Bahama Mama's code 4. Same with Red Desert.
The promenade right next to Bahama Mama's code 4, code 6 the north side of Marathon.
What kind of vehicle are you guys looking for? I'm in the area.
Dispatch didn't give us a vehicle, just a area near Bahama Mama's. Usually we'll get a ping in like 1 or 2, maybe 3.
Yeah, just look for something suspicious.
Yeah.
I found that something suspicious. My car transmission acting up.
Roads are back in the gauntlet.
Hey, firm. Time to arrest them. 2:30 en route.
297, safe traffic.
Yeah, these black gauntlets set up in Strawberry. Passing 4, crossing Carson, full sending southbound. Holding right, we have approach track. Right northbound Alta Street, spinning out on Alta Street, facing southbound. Taking off southbound back over the dirt track towards Strawberry and Davis. Are braking left westbound through the alleyways, pushing through the baseball diamond.
304 redirecting to be activated.
Exiting the baseball diamond, coming out towards Carson. The alleyways southbound off of Innocence, left, nope, 22, right, eastbound towards Power. Right, southbound Power, right, westbound through the alleyways towards Alta Street. Brake for that.
9976, latest 90 Alpha.
297, safe traffic.
04.
Have we got units for both, or should we break out this?
If Charlie responds to the laundromat, we'll have 4 going. 053. There's a black and colored tailgater parked out front with 4 to 5 people inside.
390 Alpha.
Okay, firm, can the laundromat swap to channel 2?
Copy.
Perfect, thank you. Right eastbound Del Perro. I believe they can use one more, and they'll have 4.
Yeah.
Continuing eastbound Del Perro. I don't believe I'm going to have any top end. They're taking... Oh, disregard. Still eastbound Del Perro. Just a reminder, activate a black gauntlet. Continuing eastbound. May attempt to go for the jump. Disregard. Still eastbound Del Perro. merging opposing lanes, and sticking eastbound Del Perro. Merging correct lanes, taking the right, merging westbound Olympic. So westbound Olympic Freeway, taking the Elgin turnoff. Full sending westbound Adams Apple Boulevard. Left southbound Power. Continuing southbound through the alley towards Form. Left eastbound Form. Disregard, they 50'd. Right, and immediate left eastbound through the alley towards Strawberry. Right southbound Strawberry. Right westbound Carson. Left southbound through alleyways back towards Form. Continuing southwest. Right westbound through the alleyways heading towards Carson. I'm gonna go around. By around I mean parallel. We're eastbound towards Carson. I'm gonna block the alley straight ahead.
Oh, they were thrown to the left. Oh, they pitted. Come to the elevator, come back out towards Innocence. Cross Innocence to the alleyways northbound. We stand by, left westbound towards Alta. Head on to Alta, going straight across, going to Lower La Puerta. There's another gauntlet, don't know if that's never mind, just not involved. Northbound, Lower La Puerta.
Okay.
Northbound La Puerta, holding opposing lanes to the Palomino exit. Stand by, taking Palomino. Stand by, straight across. Getting back onto Del Perro West. Oh my god, taking the grass up towards San Andreas. Left southbound, south of Rockford. 50, oh, big 50 on the stairs. Still mobile. Vehicle is southbound, south of Rockford. Heavily damaged. Slowing. Taking a left, eastbound across the park towards Lindsay Circus. Merging eastbound, cross Palomino Ave towards Calais.
230 secondary. Right southbound Calais. Left eastbound Adams Apple. Right disregard, continuing eastbound Adams Apple. Eastbound, I got this. My moment.
Do it to him. Perfect pit. Is it out? Oh, it's not out.
Onto the freeway, you hold it. Right westbound Olympic Freeway. U-turn, we're now eastbound. Oh, they're going for the... U-turn again, westbound, and then now eastbound down towards Elgin. Left northbound Elgin. Right eastbound Adams Apple Boulevard. Right southbound Strawberry. Left eastbound through the gas station, and another left eastbound Crusade towards Little Bighorn. Right southbound Little Bighorn. Continuing southbound, merging Roylo. Right westbound through the old Saints block, going around.
It's stuck in a fence, they're coming up out. Oh my god.
Continuing westbound Innocence. Passing CMC, continuing westbound Innocence. Right northbound Elgin. Left westbound Adams Apple. Continuing westbound Adams Apple. Approaching Calais. Speed's 120. Right northbound Calais. Goals Bend Pit. U-turn. And right westbound Lindsay Circus. Right northbound Palomino. Right eastbound Vespucci. Left northbound Calais. Taking the pedestrian path, I'm going around.
Dropping one off, dropping all in black got dropped off to senior buns.
Oh, this is the blind guy. Go around. They'll likely go for another swap. We're currently eastbound Del Perro. Did he go into the garage?
No, he went to senior buns.
A firm. Taking the power exit, merging eastbound Integrity Way Tunnel. Right, southbound Strawberry. Left eastbound San Andreas Ave. Left and immediate right and a left, merging northbound towards Integrity Way. Got him westbound. And turn southbound center. PCB.
Westbound, hard braking, left southbound, fantastic place, right westbound, left boulevard, left south, Strawberry.
If I had to guess, they're likely going to swap to a motorcycle. Poe Dempsey typically uses a motorcycle and does some crazy stupid stuff with it.
Stay firm. South. South Davis, approaching the dirt track, not taking it, cutting, standby. Right and immediate left, westbound South Arsenal. London. Ooh, almost hard 50s into a ballista, still northbound just London towards Split. Holding right, northbound Calais, heading towards Senior Buns. There might be a pickup at Senior Buns, maybe. Hard braking left westbound, Lindsay Circus. On the sidewalk, cutting across Palomino towards South Rockford. Braking left southbound South Rockford. Northbound Palomino Ave.
.230, secondary right, eastbound Vespucci. Vehicle just U-turned. Black and colored tailgater. Northbound Calais. Well, northbound, you take it. Go, go, go.
On your right,
right,
yep.
Eastbound, yep, San Andreas. Individual's getting out.
Going in. I'm gonna just keep an eye on it there. I'm gonna go around.
A firm. Individual is running to the backside. Still running through and exiting the back door now. Disregard. I think he U-turned. He's running to the
back. Yeah, he's on the radio and went back.
Yep, I see him.
I'm getting back to my car.
A firm. He's running back into Senior Buns. He's on radio. I'm going in. I believe he's dropping stuff.
I don't see him.
Hey, yo! Surrender! Oh. He's exiting back towards the front.
If I'm coming.
He's been tased out of the vehicle. Hands behind your back. Oh.
Where did my car go?
Stand by. I'm currently VCB. That gauntlet just disappeared somehow. Huh. Interesting one. You know, that's now the second time I've seen that happen in a week. Oh, shit.
What happened to you now?
I don't know that I have an answer. Where'd a gauntlet? What'd you do with it?
I ate it.
What'd you do with it? You're supposed to be blind and deaf.
I was never blind and deaf.
Oh my god, you lied?
I lied.
Huh.
Hey, World Star.
Who's that?
I'm just an innocent bystander capturing this all on video.
Uh-huh.
Innocent man being
You stay right here with this other officer. Give me a moment. Can see if I can locate a gauntlet.
Hey, come.
We really don't have any other. And it's 50'd fairly decently, right?
Yeah. It was...
Hello? I need you out of this vehicle, please. I need it. Out of the car! Now! Well. Get out! Get out! You know what?
What?
10-9.
Any luck finding anything? Or...
I found one. There's a local in it, and they're stubborn. Don't worry, I may be able to tase them out. Okay.
What the hell?
Oh dear God.
Is it the taser that's causing cars to disappear? We'll find out. Oh my, it's the taser. The taser caused the car to poof. Yeah, don't ask how or why, it just does. Stand by, locating another gauntlet. I've only found one. Where are all these gauntlets parked? It's a struggle out here. That was the only one I saw. And that bitch vanished. May just have to find something else. I'm sure it'll be fine.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
This shit look fast. Oh, whoops. It's not where I intended on doing that. Really? I can't lockpick chat. Send help.
Bro, do you want me to bring him over?
A-firm. I don't know how this vehicle is in comparison, but it looks nice.
Do you want me to bring him over to it?
A firm. It's the white car here.
It's something though.
I looked everywhere for a gauntlet.
My door.
Okay, bud. You can't steal cars and then take a door with you. Definitely don't get in this white car. Okay.
Is guy gonna? Oh, okay. There's enough space.
Huh. Don't get in there.
God. Oh my god.
Don't do it.
Don't take the keys off him either.
Don't you dare. Oh my gosh. He's fleeing.
You guys any 77s on that?
A firm, but
Yes.
give it a minute or so. Everything was kind of delayed through no fault of anybody.
Yeah, it's quick. It is quick. North Rockford. Right, east on Boulevard Del Perro. The alleyways off of Boulevard Del Perro, coming back Boulevard Del Perro, left east. Cutting across into the alleyway southbound towards Marathon, left west or eastbound Marathon. South Heritage Way, right westbound through the movie set towards South Rock or North Rockford even. Left southbound North Rockford. Cutting across the grass, left eastbound onto San Andreas. Hard brakes, left southbound Palomino Ave. Right and left eastbound Vespucci. Right southbound Calais. Coming over the sidewalk. Still southbound Calais. Towards London, heavy traffic, left, holding left onto southbound West London towards South Arsenal.
Okay.
Left eastbound, cutting across South Arsenal onto Mutiny. Holding eastbound on Mutiny Road, back towards South Arsenal.
Or we could use
left westbound
77.
South Arsenal. 77s, please. Fortune Dutch London, right northbound Dutch London. Tried to ankle brake, cutting down into the canals.
I'm gonna go Alta.
Cutting eastbound the canals. They're not coming out on Alta, he's still on the, actually he might come up from the dirt jump. Yeah, coming up on the dirt track, he's on his side, still on his wheels, onto Davis. Northbound Davis, 22 that right, eastbound to Utopia Parkway, holding right, heading towards West London. Hard brakes, left, eastbound West London towards the barrio.
We don't have spikes.
Driving on the sidewalk once again, left northbound Verloin seen in proper lanes of travel. Left westbound Covenant. Cutting through the alleyways off of Covenant, running parallel with Grove. Out onto hard braking, northbound
I'm good.
Davis, left westbound Carson.
Before secondary, going westbound on Carson, approaching Alta Street. Pass 4 and full set west, approaching Alta. Braking right, going eastbound on Innocence. Left northbound Elgin. Correction, north on Power, approaching Amsal, pass Amsal, full set north. Heavy traffic on Vespucci, taking upper Power north. Speeds 120 and climbing, full send in northbound towards Occupation. Past Occupation, full send north. Approaching Howick, passing Howick. Approaching Spanish, right, eastbound Spanish. Right, southbound Meteor. Right into Alley Speed.
Into the alleyways west, cutting straight across Power to the alleyways towards Laguna Place, left south, right west. Westbound Howick.
I thought that was the tailgater from earlier.
Laguna's passing the Rockford
That's just
Plaza.
a moonshine
towards
penumbra.
San Vitas, right northbound San Vitas.
Shine Umbra.
Indeed, facing southbound